Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you know anytime I go live, and leave a comment. It helps the video out a ton. All right, today we have the SOB Tuna Melt. Why I gave it that name, I have no idea. But it starts off very simple. We have 4 6-ounce cans of tuna that I drained and put into a bowl. To that, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Make sure you taste this before you assemble the sandwich, just in case you need to add a little bit more mayonnaise. Remember, you can always add it, you can't take it away. And then we want to add approximately 2 celery ribs that I chopped up. And then we want to add about somewhere between, 2 and 4 tablespoons of dill pickle relish. I'd say I got probably close to 2.5, 3 in there. I just eyeballed it. Tuna melts are usually pretty forgiving. You don't really need to measure anything to the gnat's ass. Okay, so next, I decided to add a couple of tablespoons of diced red onions. I just kind of got a tablespoon, 2 big heaping tablespoons, then a little bit more. So, again, you can go up to a half a cup if you want, but I don't want it that oniony. That's just me. And then we want about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then start mixing all of this together. And as you go, taste, adjust seasonings. And if it's not to the consistency you like, feel free to add a little bit of mayo a little bit at a time. Remember, you can always add it. You can't take it out. Then just a quick little taste, and I'm happy with it. So we're going to let this chill out for a little bit. About, 10 minutes. And then we'll be ready to make our tuna melts. Okay, we have our bread ready to go. You can use whatever bread you like, but for this one, I just felt good old nice white sourdough. All right, now we're going to add some American cheese to each slice of our bread. And then we're going to add our tuna mix. And then we're going to butter one side. And then we're going to bring it over to a griddle and griddle it up. Obviously, while the sandwich is on the griddle, butter the other side. All right, as you can see here, it's cooking up nicely. Time to give it a little flip. Make sure you give it a little check underneath. Give it a little flip. And then we'll be ready to serve it up. Okie dokie. Do a little bit of a pull apart here. And boom. That is the SOB Tuna Melt. Done.